still I would say, man, LONGi is a big giant solar company. Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome back on our new video, and in this video we are going to talk about LONGi panels, and we are going to talk about LONGi panels features, benefit, and we'll talk about the company background as well. And in this video I'm going to show you a live here at why should you buy a latest new X10 LONGi panels. Small disclaimer, if we are not making this video to promote any brand, we have used this product, and if I have to use this product for my own house or for my friend's house or any family member, I will definitely use this one, and this is on my top good panels list. Now let's begin the video, and before I start, just a request: if you like the video, please do subscribe the channel. That's a bell icon, and if you have any questions and comment, please also comment on the video, and we will try to answer that questions as well. So let's do the testing of the panels first. So this is the LONGi new X10 panels, and this is the normal TopCon panels. I won't name the brands which panels there is one, but this one is LONGi. So you can see that. Now I've connected these panels with the wire and this production thing. Now you can see these lights, the full panel is producing. Now when you have a shade, so this is, I bought this for just to show you, if the shade comes on the panels and you see the production here, it reduces, or actually it's gone. If I have some section fill, it's still producing, but as long as there's a more shading coming, gone. You see here, see the difference in the production. Now we will do the same test here with the LONGi MOX series. Let me connect with this wire. Now same thing, you can see all the production. Now again, this one is, let's suppose, is a shading, so the light doesn't affect much. Even if it's gone half, then it's a little bit reduces, but again you see not much affecting it. So even if the half of the panel is covered with the shade, it's still producing, see. So this is what I wanted to show you here in this video, that how this new panels have a great feature to protect from the shading. LONGi is one of the largest solar panel manufacturer in the world. From last few years, I would say Jinko has surpassed them, and they are number one at the moment, but still I would say, man, LONGi is a big giant solar company. LONGi Solar was founded in 2000, and in 2005 they began producing silicon for a solar, as well as in 2006 they had enough capacity to make around 1,000 tons a year easily. Now the company has now 10 manufacturing plants producing solar panels for silicon as well as for the solar panel. They do also make some roof solutions as well, which I will talk about later on, and hydrogen solution as well, which you can go through on their website as well. Eight of the manufacturing plant are in China, and other two are one in Vietnam and one in Malaysia. They have also started commencing another facility in India as well. LONGi was the only solar panel manufacturer to be named AAA rated by the PV Module Tech Bankability Rating in Q3 of 2022 ranking. In Australia, LONGi solar panels came first, I think, in 2017, and after that they have captured a significant share in Australian market as well. Now they have also established a local Australian office in Sydney to support their supplier and as well as direct to the customers as well. The customer service is good as well. In LONGi, in September 2022, LONGi actually broken the world record of creating the efficiency of 26.12% from their one of the silicon cell they have introduced. In November 2022, LONGi announced HIM6 series, which is a very great panel, a high efficiency hybrid passivative back contact HBPC cell they have used to achieve this amazing efficiency of 22.8%. They have launched M1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and today I'll talk about a 10 as well, which I shown you before. Now M6 includes the 4 distinctive series as well. So first is the Explore series. It got a very classic look as well and a great HPBC cells, and actually is deployed and named by Longi as well, and it's patent as well. Second is Scientist series, maximum efficiency of HPVC series and a low degradation as well. Third, they have a Guardian series, contain the integrated smart panel level optimizers, and the last one is Artist series, which have amazing colors as well. So if you have that's what I was talking about. Like, look at this black one, it's a shiny one. This is actually a panel. So this comes in the Artist series. Now HB, this X10 have HB PC 2.2 series, which got at least 24.8 efficiency, a great unit, and which actually have a more than 5% as compared to any Topcon series. I would say, what value can HV X10 product bring to the client? First is the ultimate safety, high power generation, and a minimalist aesthetic. So actually, if you see, there is no bush bars. It's absolutely black, complete black. You can see that's how this panel look like, and the efficiency is 24, which is a great efficiency. And the Artist series are like, this is the normal conventional panels you can see, and that's a black, full black panels. So you can see the comparison between the normal panel and the Longi, how good they are. So that's it from my side. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and know about the Longi panel, especially the X1 series, which they have going to launch, or they have already launched. Thank you so much, and if you like the video, please do subscribe the channel, and thank you so much. If you have any question, please do put on the comment, and we will make more videos for future product as well. Thank you so much. Till the time, bye bye.